What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to cancel items on Temu. If you've placed an order on the Temu app and now want to cancel it, here's how you can do it step by step. First, open the Temu mobile app and make sure you're logged into your account. On the main screen, look at the bottom row of options and click on the U tab. On this page, tap on Your Orders at the top. You will see a list of all your orders placed. Next to each order, there should be a three-dot icon. Tap on that. If you don't see this icon, it likely means that the order has already been processed, shipped, or is too far along in the fulfillment stage to be cancelled. If the icon is visible, this means that the order is still eligible for cancellation. Tap on Cancel Items. You will now see all the items included in that specific order. You can either cancel individual items or the entire order. Simply select the items you want to cancel by tapping the checkbox next to each one. If you want to cancel everything in that order, you can use the Select All option. Once your selections are made, tap Next. You'll be asked to select a reason for cancellation from a list. These might include options like item price too high, need to change shipping speed, or found a cheaper option elsewhere. Choose the most appropriate reason and tap Continue to cancel. After this, your cancellation will be processed. If you paid online, the refund will be initiated automatically to either your Temu account balance or your bank account. Note that it may take a few days to appear in your account, depending on your payment method and your bank's processing time. If you opted for cash on delivery before placing the order, no further action is needed. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.